To set screen reader read keyboard input load as words in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Tap screen reader, select settings, and then tap verbosity. Select read keyboard input load, and then select keyboard you want, on-screen keyboard or physical keyboard. Select word to set as word. If you select word when screen reader on and you type word, when you press space bar, system will be read word. For example, turn on voice assistant, allow,
voice assistant on, screen reader, one UI home.
Open up the keyboard, for example,
messages, ink, expand toolbar, editing, recipient, edit box, showing item 1 of 1.
And you type word, for example, on, and tap spacebar,
on.
System will be read word. Tap spacebar,
red.
okay, and tap spacebar,
input.
okay. Thank you for watching.
Keyboard hidden,
Have
one
a
UI
nice day.
home.